Hi, I'm Corin Fernandez. I'm a content creator and a co-founder of a media production company. So what do you do if you have two separate video clips and you want to combine them together to create one polished video without the use of any software or high-spec computers? You use Adobe Express, of course.
As a small business, it's always a great idea to follow the latest trends on socials, which usually involves just merging two clips together.
Consistent visuals is also a key branding point for a lot of small businesses. Sometimes all it takes is a simple addition of an intro and an outro to your Instagram reel or your stories. That can make a world of a difference. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So let's start by heading to adobe.com/express,
And we can click on Get Started, type in Merge Videos. When we get this little option, now you can just drag and drop your videos and images straight over here, or just click on there and just browse what you want. And they should show up over here at the bottom. Now we got both our clips loaded in here, ready to go. And you can see that if you scrub through, you can see the videos are playing together. The problem here is this is really long. It's a 20-second clip and that's a 5-second clip. So I want to sort of make it a bit shorter. So you've got your options to trim your clips out here. Just trim all this unwanted bits like that. Simple, brilliant, done. You got your layouts that you can use either in portrait or in square or in landscape. But since the intro is in landscape format, we'll just leave it in landscape and keep it to that. And then you can just click on download, and then Adobe Express will download your file, merge these two videos together to one polished video. If you want, you can even add more effects. You could add in a transition, like a dissolve, just to have a seamless blend between the two clips. You can do a whole lot of other stuff, like adding text to your video. Trim down the size so you don't want to show it throughout the video. And this is how simple it is. You've merged two clips, added a transition just to sort of make it a seamless blend between the two clips. You've added a layer of text and you're good to go. Now that you've created this as your template, you can easily just replace this clip and use something else, either a stock image or another video clip that you have. And that's it. Your video clip's been replaced, your intro stays the same, and if you have an outro, you can literally add an outro at the back. And you've got all of this set up for you. Just drag and drop your clip, boom, that's it. Click download, and there you have it. So this is what makes Adobe Express such a fantastic tool for a lot of small business owners. It is the most complete browser-based package, and it is tailored for anyone of any skill level.
Here's the final result. And that's how you can merge two videos together to create one polished video. Try Adobe Express now.
Website link is on the screen and in the caption below.
And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.